Hello and welcome to this myTourbook tutorial, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to ask questions to everyone in your tour. So let's say you're the tour manager and you need to ask some questions, like you need their full name as it would be on their passport and their date of birth, and upload a picture of themselves. So I'm going to go here to tour questions. And at the moment you have no assigned question sets and you have no question set. So we need to add a question set. If you've already created a question set from a previous tour and it's the same questions, then you can assign that to this tour and hopefully people will answer them and you'll get the information you're looking for. So I'm going to click here on Add and Manage Question Sets, and it will take me to our questions editor. I'm going to add a question set and I'm going to call this Tour Info. And the description will be all the stuff we need to know. And my new question group here is going to be your details. And the first question is going to be your full name. And that question type is going to be a single line text question. So there's lots of different things that you can ask for here. You can have a multi-line text. You can have single line text, date, time, date and time. Let's say you're asking someone what time they're going to arrive somewhere, or if date could just be used for a date of birth or a passport expiry. Image is to upload a picture of some sort. Link is a URL to a website. Email is self-explanatory, and a number is just a number. So I'm going to go for this one, single line text. I'm going to put in here date of birth, and that's going to be a date. And in this one we'll say recent photo of you, and that's going to be an image. And in this one here I'm going to add in, let's say, allergy info. So let's say you want to know about if there's any food allergies, which might be important for the tour manager to know. So I'm going to keep that as multi-line text because they might want to put in a whole list of things that they can't eat. So that will do for now. I'm now going to go back to tours here, and we can assign this. If we go across to tour questions, we can now assign this question set by clicking on it to the tour. And I'm going to publish it live so people can answer the questions. Yes, I won't be able to change any settings of it. That's good. Now if I go across to here, which I'm signed in as me, as I was earlier, and I go to my tours, you can see, oh, I've got 4 come up under there. And these are my unanswered questions. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go, your full name, David Domini Fowler. My date of birth, 23rd October 1979. A recent photo of me, any food allergies? None, but I hate mushrooms. And for a photo of me, I'm just going to click on the plus there, and I'm going to select dave.jpg, which is a picture of me. You can see that's now uploaded that picture of me. And if I now go back to my tour manager page, I can view the answers here. And we can see that I'm the only person that's actually answered anything so far. And the tour manager can see the answers. And if I want to see that picture full screen, I can click there and get it full screen. If you have a lot of tour members and you just want to look up someone, so I could type in there David, you can see it automatically brings me up there. And that is how to ask questions and answer questions with myTourbook.